Oliver and the Two Dads. Oliver had two dads who were very different. His poor dad, Professor Charles, was brilliant. He loved books and had 2 advanced degrees. He always told Oliver, go to school, get good grades, and find a safe, steady job. Oliver's rich dad, Mr. Enzo, never finished high school. He had a different kind of brilliance, the kind that built businesses. Mr. Enzo's advice was simple: learn how money works and make it work for you. When Oliver and his friend Maya needed money for a new project, they decided to follow Professor Charles's advice. They got a job at Mr. Finch's corner store, stocking shelves and cleaning. They quickly learned the first lesson of working for money. It was hard, repetitive, and the paycheck only covered a fraction of the time they put in. Every hour worked meant 1 hour less for playing. This is the rat race, Mr. Enzo explained one day, finding them exhausted during their lunch break. He drew a quick circle on a napkin. You work to earn money, then you spend the money, and then you have to work again to earn more money. The rat race traps you in a cycle, he continued. You work for your boss, and your savings only go up slightly before you buy something new that needs to be paid for, pulling you back in. How do we escape? Maya asked, tossing her apron onto the counter. Mr. Enzo smiled. You need to learn the key difference: assets versus liabilities. An asset is something that puts money into your pocket even when you aren't working. It feeds you. Think of a cash cow or rent coming in from a small house you own. A liability is something that takes money out of your pocket. It costs you. Think of a fancy new bike or a video game console that needs constant battery charging and new games. Professor Charles often told Oliver to buy nice things. You deserve this, he'd say, focusing on spending the money they earned. Mr. Enzo taught them the rich dad mindset. Rich people buy assets first. Poor people buy liabilities first, thinking they are assets, like a brand new car that immediately loses value. Your poor dad works hard to earn money so he can pay his bills and buy liabilities. Your rich dad focuses on building assets that earn him money so the assets pay his bills and buy his liabilities. Oliver and Maya decided to find an asset. They realized their neighborhood needed help walking dogs in the afternoons when everyone was at work. That was a problem they could solve. Instead of trading 1 hour of cleaning for $10, they started walking 3 dogs simultaneously. They were trading 1 hour of walking for $30, and they kept the profit to reinvest. Their first investment was a better website to handle bookings and scheduling. This website was an asset. It worked for them, taking bookings even when they were asleep. Professor Charles worried. That is risky, Oliver. You should save that money in the bank and focus on your studies. If you get injured, who will walk the dogs? Oliver understood his poor dad's fear, the fear of loss. But Mr. Enzo taught them that financial intelligence wasn't about avoiding risk, but about managing it. They insured their small business. They realized the rat race was more than just having a job. It was about thinking that money alone solved problems. The rich focused on creating systems and learning skills. Oliver realized that both his dads were right, in a way. Professor Charles gave him the foundation of education and discipline, but Mr. Enzo gave him the financial education to use it freely. The greatest lesson wasn't about being rich in money, but being rich in knowledge. And once you know the difference between an asset and a liability, the path to freedom is clear. The choice is always yours.